Okay, Oksana, you just passed your driving test. Such a relief. Congratulations again.
A day to celebrate. Yeah, a day to celebrate.
Okay.
Just still sweating.
Okay, so tell me about your driving test. What questions did the examiner ask you at the beginning of the test? What car controls did he ask you about?
He asked me about like indicators, the hazard light, the horn, and that's pretty much it. And about the wipers and the back window wipers as well, and I couldn't turn them on.
Okay, and your test is at 9:30. You didn't need to worry about the school zone. How about highway? Did you go to highway?
No, we didn't go to the highway, so yeah, it's easy for me.
Okay. What maneuvers did you do?
I did the reversing maneuver and the U-turn, and kind of failed the U-turn. Failed to do it properly. Yeah. So.
Yeah. But because of the bit of a road
Because
positioning.
because I gave way to the car that was behind me and it was turning right, so I was in the T intersection. I had to do the U-turn maneuver, and yeah, so I gave way to the car that was behind me, but I should have completed the U-turn. So.
Okay, that's right. Yeah, for U-turn, you don't worry about the car behind you. Yeah, once you go to the corner, they can go wherever they want to go. All right, and were you nervous during the test?
Oh yeah, of course. I'm nervous all the time, so yeah, quite stressful for me. But now it's done. So
How did you manage to get over your nerves during the test?
I didn't manage. That's the thing.
You're still nervous throughout the whole test. Okay.
Yeah. So all the breathing techniques, I forgot about all of them. So yeah, it doesn't work for me.
Okay. And very happy with the examiner's instruction, the way that he was instructing you.
Yeah, they were quite, understandable, and I could understand all the instructions, and they were given, so I had time to think about where should I do. So it was quite clear.
Okay, cool. So you are from Russia, Oksana. What do you think are some of those challenges that the Russians face when they drive in Australia?
Keep left, guys, because coming from the country where you have the right side driving, guys, keep left, follow the signs. Yeah, and I have a story. I had when I was driving my push bike before getting the driving license, the first time I was driving the first day, I was at the roundabout, and when I was exiting the roundabout on my push bike, I chose to ride, the opposite direction.
The wrong direction.
The wrong direction, yeah, and it was, lucky me, there was no traffic coming into me, so that was awful. Yeah, keep left.
And what recommendations do you have in general for students to go for the test?
Practice makes perfect. Practice as much as you can. Listen to your instructor, listen to your supervising driver, and yeah, hope for the best.
Okay, great. And just can you say something in your own language in Russian to the Russian viewers as well?
Ребята, все будет хорошо. Даже если вы не сдадите тест, вы все равно раз сдадите, два сдадите, на третий раз точно получите. Third time's the charm, как говорится по-английски.
Okay, thank you very much, Oksana. Congratulations again.